Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's both exciting and nerve-wracking. How to make the first move when you already know she likes you. It's a crucial moment that can set the stage for a great relationship, but it can also be a bit intimidating. Imagine this. You're at a coffee shop, having a great time with a woman who's been showing all the signs that she likes you. She's laughing at your jokes, maintaining eye contact, and finding excuses to touch your arm. You're pretty sure she's interested, but now what? How do you make the first move without messing it up? Making the first move doesn't have to be daunting. With the right approach, you can turn those subtle signals into a meaningful connection. Let's dive into the steps you can take to make your intentions clear without overwhelming her. Here are 10 effective strategies to make that first move. 1. Confirm her interest. Before making a move, ensure her signals are clear. Look for consistent signs like prolonged eye contact, frequent compliments, and initiating conversations. Confirming her interest helps build your confidence and ensures you're reading the situation correctly. 2. Choose the right moment. Timing is crucial. Choose a moment when you're both relaxed and comfortable. Whether it's during a quiet walk, a casual hangout, or a meaningful conversation, the right moment can set the tone for your approach. 3. Start with light flirting. Begin with light, playful flirting to gauge her response. Compliment her, use gentle teasing, and engage in playful banter. This can help create a fun and flirty atmosphere, making it easier to transition to more serious topics. 4. Use positive body language. Positive body language, such as maintaining eye contact, smiling, and leaning in slightly, can signal your interest and make her feel more comfortable. Your body language can often communicate more than words. 5. Compliment her genuinely. Give her genuine compliments that go beyond the surface. Compliment her personality, intelligence, or specific things she does that you appreciate. Authentic compliments show that you notice and value her. Before we proceed to the other strategies for making the first move, please feel free to click that subscribe button so we can continue creating these kinds of content. 6. Create an intimate setting. Choose a setting that fosters intimacy and connection. A quiet cafe, a scenic park, or a cozy spot at home can create the perfect backdrop for a heartfelt conversation. The right setting can help both of you feel more at ease. 7. Share your feelings honestly. When the moment feels right, express your feelings honestly and directly. Use I statements to communicate how you feel about her and the connection you've noticed. Honesty is key to building a deeper, more genuine relationship. 8. Respect her space and pace. Respect her space and the pace at which she wants to move. If she seems hesitant or needs time to process, be patient and understanding. Respecting her boundaries shows that you care about her comfort and feelings. 9. Plan a special date. Plan a special date that reflects her interests and your shared experiences. Whether it's a favorite restaurant, an outdoor adventure, or a quiet evening in, a thoughtful date can show her how much you care and make your intentions clear. And 10. Be prepared for any outcome. Finally, be prepared for any outcome. While you hope for a positive response, understand that she might need more time or might not feel the same way. Handling any outcome with grace and respect will leave a positive impression and keep the door open for future possibilities.